Hey Wisconsin, it's Lee with Brooks Tractor. Today we're going over the main components and installation of a Topcon 3D system. Alright, to start off, we have the device that you, as an operator, will be interacting with the most, the GX55. The GX55 features a 5.25-inch display. It is sunlight viewable for when you're working on those sunny days. The display is a colored LCD with touchscreen capabilities, allowing you to tap on icons and buttons and move around the 3D rendering of your machine and your job site. So here on the top right corner, you got the power button and access to the 3DMC main screen, which is Topcon software for the GX55s. This button is for zooming in, this button is for zooming out, and this is the next view button to cycle through the different views. And down here we have a USB port, it's a Type A. And on the back, we have a power connector and a mounts for the GX55 as well. It is a fully functioning Windows computer made with strong, durable housing and sealed internals. Alright, next we have the GRI3s. The GRI3s are fully integrated multi-constellation receiver and antenna, meaning that are capable of accessing multiple satellite systems. They feature sturdy and rugged housing. They can operate with internal batteries or through a CAN bus connection and are designed to withstand rough construction conditions. There are 4 LEDs to indicate power, GPS, CAN bus, and Bluetooth. Next we have the TSI-4s. So the TSI-4s, or the IMUs, are inertial measurement units. They're sensors that measure motions and directions of whatever they're attached on. This helps in generating a 3D rendering of a machine. On an excavator, you have 4 IMUs, one for the coupler, one for the stick, one for the boom, and one for the body. Next, we have the MCX1. This device is the main controller of all the components. It takes in all the signals and data from the antennas and IMUs and uses it to generate a 3D model of your machine's movements, whether that be an excavator, dozer, or motor grader. So it features a rugged ABS plastic housing with internal Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It is the lightest controller available on the market, so if you're doing an install or some maintenance work, you want to have some heavy, clunky device to move around. Finally, we have the UR1. This is the external radio for the Topcon machine control system. It features a bolt-on rugged aluminum enclosure, UHF and FH915 radio compatibility. It has a Deutsch connector with connection for machine power, CAN 2.0, and RS-232 serial connection, and LED indicators for power, radio signal, and CAN status. Alright, let's go install this Topcon system onto a new 345 excavator. Alright, so we just got this Topcon system fully installed and we got the bucket hooked up. Let's go take a look inside the cab. Alright, so as you can see here, we have a digital rendering of the excavator itself, hooked up with all the IMUs, which allows it to create this digital rendering. And when I move the boom and the stick, you can see it moves in the digital rendering as well. And there are a couple other views you can shuffle through. So you can shuffle through to the bucket. So when I bring the bucket in, you see it kind of folds up like that. And that yellow part is the outside of the bucket. And when I bring the bucket out, it fully opens up. That's the outside of the bucket. And the other view is a top-down view or bird's eye view. And when I bring the boom up like that, you see it moving. And when I curl the bucket in, right now the bucket's fully open. And once I curl it into the stick, you see it shrink down and come into the stick like that. And if I bring the boom and the stick all the way up, you see that as well. I extend it all the way back out, see that on digital render. So those are the 3 views that you can look through. Now it says out of design because we don't have any models made for the excavator to move around in. That'll be up to the contractor to design. But yeah, that's the gist of the Topcon system. It's going to show you how your machine's moving in a digital rendering. Alright, so I hope this video gave you a better idea of what is all included in a 3D Topcon system. My name is Lee with Brooks Tractor. Like and subscribe below, and click the link in the description to check out our website.